Now here the question is, for two events A and B, probability of A is 3 by 5 and probability of B is 2 by 3, then which of the following is or are correct? Now we know that P A union B will be greater than or equal to maximum of PA and PB, because it is a superset, which in this case is 2 by 3. That means probability of A union B will always be greater than or equal to 2 by 3. Now we also know that any probability is always less than or equal to 1. So this value will always lie between 2 by 3 and 1. Now if we look at probability of A intersection B will be PA plus PB minus PA union B. Now if we look at PA plus PB, it will be 9 plus 10, 19 by 15 minus PA union B. Now we'll get this minimum value when PA union B is maximum and maximum value of PA union B is 1. So 19 by 15 minus 1 will be simply 4 by 15. So PA union B minimum value will be 4 by 15 and we'll get its maximum value when A union B is minimum, which is 2 by 3. So 19 by 15 minus 2 by 3 will be simply 9 by 15, which is 3 by 5. So that means this option C is also correct. Now we look at probability of A intersection B naught. Now probability of A intersection B naught is probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. Now probability of A is 3 by 5 minus probability of A intersection B. Now we are looking for its maximum value. Its value will be maximum when value of A intersection B is minimum. So P A intersection B naught will always be less than or equal to 3 by 5 minus 4 by 15, which is 5 by 15, that is 1 by 3. That means this option A is also correct. Now if we look at this option D, this option D is probability of A naught upon B. Now probability of A naught upon B is probability of A naught intersection B upon probability of B, or will be this probability of B minus probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. So it will be 1 minus, now PA intersection B will work out and probability of B is 2 by 3. So it will be this 3 by 2 into probability of A intersection B. Now if we look at its maximum value, in that case we have to look for minimum value of A intersection B, and minimum value of A intersection B is 4 by 15. So it will be into 4 by 15, so which is 2 by 5. So it will be 3 by 5. So its maximum value is 3 by 5, and for minimum we'll put this as 3 by 5. So there will be 9 by 10, and 1 minus 9 by 10 is 1 by 10. So its minimum value will be 1 by 10. That means this option D is also correct. So all the 4 options are correct for this question.